Bloomberg Economics asks the question, can the tariff push Brazil into a recession? The answer that they have is estimated 1% of Brazil's GDP being put at risk, and it is a potential. It's a potential for a material slowdown. Now, how do you gauge that risk and how difficult that slowdown could be should these tariff levels hold?
Well, we do not estimate such a high impact on Brazilian growth. As I mentioned before, we see 20 to 30 basis points hit over 12 months' time. That is assuming that Brazil loses a quarter of the exports into the U.S. Remember that steel and aluminum that are exported from Brazil were already subject to a 25% levy that was imposed back in April into Brazil. So it's not still clear whether steel and aluminum are actually being propped up into the 50. So we're assuming 25. Keep in mind, Sonali, that the U.S. is Brazil's second largest trading partner, but in the end, it's the response for 12% of Brazilian exports.
Todd, I want to make sure we're understanding the currency implications as well, especially given the desire for BRIC nations to ease their reliance, frankly, on the dollar. And you have seen a material weakening of the Brazilian real since the Trump announcements. What do you make of the direction of travel?
Well, the weakening of the currency, given the level of tariff that was imposed, I think it's kind of understandable, right? So it is the textbook reaction for a currency to depreciate in the face of such increase in tariffs. The Brazilian real, I think, going forward, will rely a lot on the political response to this action, whether there will be retaliation or not, how long this tariff will remain in place. But depreciation is a textbook reaction to what happened.